You're not broken. You're not your diagnosis. I've had individuals, I've told this story once or twice. I had a gentleman one time come see me, and he was a very active gentleman, 80-some years old. He was mowing all the neighbors' yards. He was playing basketball every day. He would go to morning mass. Incredible gentleman. And he had a little bit of back pain. I would say if you asked him early on, so how much is your back pain? He'd say a 2 or 3. He would come and see me once a month. I'd adjust him, and he'd say, yeah, I have no problems. Well, he went to his medical doctor, and his medical doctor said, well, you look perfectly healthy. Is there anything else you can do? Do you have any problems? He says, well, once in a while, I have some back pain. Okay, we'll get you an MRI. Got him an MRI, and went back to see the doctor, and the doctor gave him a diagnosis of degenerative disc disease. That basically means your joints are a little closer together. And show me anybody over 40 who doesn't have degenerative disc disease if you give a diagnosis. So he comes in and he sees me, and he's walking with 2 canes when he comes in to see me. I said, what happened? He goes, oh, something bad happened. I was like, okay, did you follow what happened? Car accident? He goes, no, I got a diagnosis. I said, what's your diagnosis? He says, degenerative disc disease. And I probably flippantly laughed when he said it. I said, okay, yeah, you have degenerative. He goes, oh, it's horrible, it's really bad. I said, actually, it's normal. You know, you're going to have less space between your discs as you get older. Anyway, I see him the next month, and his daughter brings him in with a walker. I see him the next month, he's coming in a wheelchair. And I keep saying, what happened? He goes, oh, no, I had to stop mowing the yards. I said, why'd you stop mowing the yards? I have degenerative disc disease. Anyway, the gentleman before long was in a nursing home because he became his diagnosis. You have to be careful about that. If you're diagnosed with heart disease, you're diagnosed with anything, you are not that diagnosis. You're still there. You got to get up, get moving, keep going, and healing's possible.